If you're experiencing low performance on your PlayStation 5, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and improve its functionality. Follow this guide to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Ensure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, select System, then System Software, and choose System Software Update and Settings. Download and install any available updates. Step 2. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help improve performance. Turn off your PS5 completely, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select the option to clear the cache from the Safe Mode menu. Step 3. Manage storage. Insufficient storage can slow down your console. Go to Settings, select Storage, and review your installed games and applications. Delete any that you no longer play or consider moving them to an external drive. Step 4. Optimize game settings. Adjusting game settings can enhance performance. In-game, lower the graphics settings or resolution if possible, and disable features like ray tracing or motion blur to improve frame rates. Step 5. Ensure proper ventilation. Overheating can lead to performance issues. Make sure your PS5 is in a well-ventilated area, free from dust and obstructions. Consider using a cooling stand or fan if necessary. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your PlayStation 5's performance. Regular maintenance and updates can help keep your console running smoothly.